Sin theta values. To get sin theta values, we have to solve root below finger by 2. Root below finger by 2. To get cos theta. To get cos theta. Root above finger. Above finger. By 2 by 2. Okay, root above finger by 2. To get tan theta, root below finger by root above finger. The question is equal to 1 by root below finger by 2. Yes or no? వచ్చేవాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్ కి వస్తుంది సైన్ కి వస్తుంది క్వశ్చన్ అంటే 1 by sin is equal to 1 by cos tan equal to 1 by cos no cot equal to we have to do to get cot theta root above finger by root below. I think for question also is there something
2 by root below finger
2 by
root below finger
1 by is equal to we can consider. Then sin is equal to cosecant theta is equal to 2 by root below finger. 2 by root below finger. To get secant theta, andesava 2 by root above finger. Okay. Let us now check it. Yes. How many fingers we have? 6 now? 5. Yes, all of you confirm about it? 5. All of you sure? Yes. How many fingers we have? 5. Yes? ఈ చిత్రాన్ని ఇంటి దగ్గర కానీ ఎక్కడ కానీ ప్రయత్నించదండి ఎందుకంటే ఈ చిత్రాన్ని నిపుణుల పర్యవేక్షణలో గీయబడినది. ఓకే 0 degrees 30 degrees 45 degrees 60 degrees 90 degrees. Yes, little finger represents to us 0 degrees, then ring finger represents to us 30 degrees, middle finger represents to us 45 degrees, index finger represents to us 60, thumb finger represents to us 90 degrees. Now check it here. To get sin theta value, root below finger by 2. Sin 0 degrees equal to sin 0 degrees equal to how many fingers are there below of little finger? 0. A little finger ki below एमन उन्नाया? A value पड़ेगी sin 0 degrees. Yes or no? For sin 0 degrees, 0 by 4 equal to 0. Yes or no? Then sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. 30 degrees equal to this finger. Then how many fingers we have below 30 degrees? 1. Yes or no? 1. Then root 1 by 2. Root 1 equal to 1. 1 by 2. What is the value of root 1? 1. Yes or no? Then how many fingers we have below 45 degrees? 2. Yes or no? 2. Then sin 45 degrees root 2 by 2. 2 which is equal to 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 because root 2 into root 2 root 4 is equal to 2. Yes or no? Or root 2 into root 2 equal to root 2 whole square. Square root got cancelled. Then this root 2 which is equal to 1 by 1 by root 2. Then for sin 60 degrees 60 degrees represents to us index finger. How many fingers are there below 60? 3. Then root 3 by 2. For 90 for sin 90 degrees represents to us thumb finger. How many fingers are there below thumb finger? 4. Then root 4 by 2. What's the value of root 4? is equal to 1. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, cos. To get cos angle, root above finger by 2. Cos 0 degrees is equal to 0 degrees. Root above or below? Above. Above means paina. Below means kinda. Mali 0 degrees ki 0 degrees kudandi? 0 degrees paina eన్ని fingers unnai? 4. Then root 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Yes or no? Then next, cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. How many fingers are above 30 degrees? 30 degrees paina 3. Then cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then cos 45 degrees. For cos 45 degrees is how many fingers are there above 45 degrees? 2. Then cos 45 degrees 2 by root 2 by 2. Yes or no? Cos 45 degrees. 45 degrees reference was middle finger. Middle finger point అండి 2 root 2 by 2. 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2 can cancel 1 by 2. Yes or no? Cos 60 degrees. How many fingers are there above 60? 1. Cos 60 degrees. Above ante paina ni, below ante kinda. Then root 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees. How many fingers are there above 90 degrees? 0. Then cos 90 degrees is equal to 0 by 2 equal to 0. Tan 0 degrees. Tan 0 degrees is equal to, this is the 0, below by above. How many fingers are there below 0 degrees? 0 by 4. Root 0 by root 4. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Then tan 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Root 2 below by root above. Root 1 by root 3. Root 1 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan 40 degrees. Root 2 below finger by root above finger. Root 2 by root 2. Root 2 by root 2 is equal to 1. Yes or no? Tan 60 degrees is equal to root above finger by root below finger. Tan 60 degrees. Root 3 by root 1. Root 3 equal to root 3. Root 1 equal to 1. 1 by root 3 equal to root 3. All of you got it? Tan 90 degrees. Root above finger by root below finger. Root above is equal to 4. Root 4 equal to 2 by 0 equal to not defined. Not defined. Okay, please go. Cot 0 degrees. Tan content tan 0 degrees content root below by above. Cot content root above by root below. Man 0 degrees is kada. 0 degrees above fingers ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4. Then root 4 by root 0. Root 4 equal to 2 by 0 equal to not defined. All of you got it? Then 30 degrees. For cot 30 degrees. Root above finger by below finger. 30 degrees ఇదేనా? మరి దీనికి tan కైతే below by above. cot కైతే above by below. మరి above ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 3. Root 3 by root 1. Cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. Root 1 is equal to 1 is equal to root. Okay. Cot 40 degrees is equal to root above finger root 2 below root 2. Root 2 by root 2 is equal to cot 60 degrees. Card 60 degrees. Root above finger 1, root below 3. Then root 1 by root 1 is equal to 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Card 90 degrees. Card 90 degrees. Root above finger by root below finger. Root above 0. Root above 0 above. Below 2. 0 by 2 equal to 0. Repeater cosecant 0 degrees is equal to cosecant 0 degrees. To find cosecant degree values 2 by root below finger. 0 के below fingers सुने 0 2 by 0 root 0 2 by 0 which is equal to yes or no? Cosecant 45 degree 30 degrees 30 degrees కండి 2 by root below finger మరి 30 degrees కింద ఎన్ని ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి 1 2 by root 1 is equal to 1 by 2 by 1 equal to 2 cosecant 45 degrees cosecant 45 2 by root below finger మరి 40 degrees కింద ఎన్ని ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 2 then 2 by root 2 2 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చండి root 2 into root 2 by root 2 root 2 cancel is equal to root 2 ఎందుకంటే sir why we should writing like that why we have to write like that 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2 root 2 into root is equal to root 4 is equal to 2 then 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 then cosecant 60 degrees 60 degrees is 60 degrees root 2 by root below finger 2 by root below fingers 2 by root below finger how many fingers are there 60 degrees 3 2 by root 3 cosecant 90 degrees cosecant 90 degrees 2 by 0 yes 2 by root 4 2 by root 4 is equal to root 4 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1 below 90 degrees how many fingers we have 4 yes or no 2 by root 4 equal to root 4 is equal to 2 2 by 2 is equal to 1 sine cos root below finger by 2 and is equal to 2 by root below finger ఎందుకంటే sin is equal to 1 by cosecant sin have inverse relationship with cosecant cos have inverse relationship with secant tan have inverse relationship with cot tan is equal to root below finger by root above cot is equal to root above finger by root below cos is equal to root above finger by 2 and secant is equal to 2 by root above finger so because which have inverse relations which have inverse relations secant 0 degrees 2 by root above finger 0 degrees की पॉइंट फिंगर्स सुना 4 then 2 by root 4 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 then secant 30 degrees secant 30 how many fingers are there above 30 degrees 3 then 2 by root 3 for 60 degrees how many fingers are there above for 45 degrees 45 degrees करने middle finger reference was 45 पर 8 fingers सुनना है 2 then 2 by root 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2 root 2 cancel is equal to 1 next secant 60 degrees is the 60 above 60 degrees how many fingers we have only one 1 by 2 by 2 by root 1 root 1 is equal to 1 1 by 2 is equal to 2 yes or no let's secant 90 degrees 2 by 2/3 equal to yes or no? Please note. So